Welcome back to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe, the canine chef in training, here with another drool-worthy human treat. If you are new to my channel, go back and watch my trailer to learn all about me. I was about 6 months old when I started this channel, but I turned 1 year old this week. I'm currently recovering from my second hip surgery. It's been a rough year, but I'm pulling through. So on to cooking. Today, Mom is teaching me how to make super easy blueberry cobbler. This recipe came off the side of the Southern Biscuit bag. If you don't have any Southern Biscuit mix, you should really buy some because it makes drool-worthy biscuits. It also makes a drool-worthy pizza ring. Go back and check out my videos to see how that's made. Anyway, we had a big feast for Easter even though we are quarantined and wasn't able to share it with family and friends. Dad loves blueberries, so Mom said, Bobby Joe, we've got to make Dad something blueberry for Easter. So we're going to try the cobbler recipe on the biscuit bag. So guess what? That's what we did. And let me tell y'all, it is super duper easy and it smelled so drool worthy. I licked a plate or two and I have to say it was some good stuff. So this is what you need to make it. 1/4 cup of butter or margarine. We use margarine. 1 cup of Southern Biscuit mix. 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 can of blueberry pie filling. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Melt the butter in a baking dish and in a bowl mix together the biscuit mix and sugar. Then you add in the milk and stir it until it's mixed. You pour that mixture over the melted butter. Add the pie filling over the top. Don't mix it together, just add it over the top as evenly as possible. Then you bake for 25 minutes or until the center springs back. Serve with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or whipped topping. The great thing about this is you can make it in any flavor you like, just by whatever pie filling you prefer. My dad loves blueberries, so that's why we use blueberry pie filling. This is a great quick dessert or something drool-worthy to take to your next potluck or family get-together, once we're allowed out of this lockdown, that is. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, like my Facebook page where I try to post updates about what I'm up to daily. If you try the recipe, post some pictures on my Facebook page so I can see how it turned out. Until next time, stay home, stay safe, say your prayers, wash your hands, and have a great weekend.